Subscribe the channel Plants and Life and press the bell icon to get notification. Hello friends, this is Kaustav and welcome to our YouTube channel Plants and Life. In this summer, no, in every summer, every gardener faces a lot of problems. We have to save our plants from scorching heat, we have to maintain a good moisture level on the soil and a lot more. If we don't do this, our plants may dry up. So now, I am going to show you a method which will helps to save our plant, which will maintain a good moisture level in our soil. This is a very easy method as well as is very low cost, zero cost. I usually try to give you essential ideas which are very low cost or made from waste. So let's start our today's project. So here we have a big oleander tree which is 6 feet in height, and I am going to experiment on this plant. So let's start our project. Here we have a glass bottle, a aluminium wire which is bended like this in this shape, and some tapes, scissors and cocoa thread. So I gonna fix this glass bottle with this aluminium wire in this condition. Look at that friends, it's very unique and genuine method. Anyone can try this. So I have fixed this with tape. You can see this. You can use plastic bottles instead of glass bottles, and this is cocoa thread. You can use normal cotton thread, but I am using this. So I am give a tie here. Otherwise it will be removed easily. And I have done. So let's go to our plant. So here we have. So I am fix this. I am insert the aluminium wire to the soil tightly. Look at that friends, I am digging some soil. I will insert that rope thread under the soil. Then the water will comes out from that bottle through that thread, and then it's make moist our soil. Whenever the soil will dry up, then the soil will comes up to the soil. So anyway, we have to cover the thread with soil like this. Do everything gently, don't disturb any roots or plants in this hot summer, and then insert extra thread to the bottle. Now it's time for fill this bottle with water. I am filling it with water. It's a very lazy process, and that's all. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.